Alright everybody, here now, and we have another video for you. Picked up some more blasters, the retail, and I'm going to open them. So let's get to these puppies. Let's do a shout out to the knife hand. Still no name for the cutter. So I have these at Target, and there's two different types of blasters you can get for Topps Chrome 2013. If you go to Walmart, you can get the ones where you get 7 packs plus one relic card. And at Target, you get 7 packs plus one extra pack. So, but you can't get autographs in the Walmart packs. So I usually like to get the Target packs just because I like to go into Target and not Walmart. That's a side note. But let's get these packs out and get going. Let's get some nice color going here. We have a ton of hobby boxes of this product coming in. Okay. I'll pull from the stack, and as with my pass break, I usually make 2 piles. One pile is cards I'll soft sleeve. The other pile is more common base stuff. Any card I sleeve, if a card's worth a cent to me, if a player's worth a cent to me, then I'll sleeve it. But here we go. Sorry about that. Okay. Eric Fisher refractor. Do you know he had a tough day yesterday? And Kasim Green, he started for the Bears. So, and we'll sleeve these ones. Sleeve pile, base pile. Hopefully that glares not in everybody's eyes for these breaks, but that's kind of cool. Tavon Austin, tall boy. And Jonathan Cyprian, Blue Wave. That's neat. And some base. Okay, base. And a Warmack. It's an X-Fractor. Those are like 1 in 3. Or I'm not sure, 1 in 7. I'm not sure the acronym is. Oh, cool, we got a black refractor. There's Aaron Rodgers' brother. It's a refractor. I guess I'll sleeve it. And J.J. Watt black. That's cool. Black's are out of $2.99. So that's a nice one. Des Bryant. Andrew Luck. It's a cool card. Kerwin Williams, I think he got cut. And this is the 86 retro set. Aaron Dobson. That's cool. Space. That's kind of cool. Cordero Patterson mini. Zach Ertz and D. Milliner. X-Fractor. So Manti, I think this is 1963 reprint. And Zach Stacy, he's actually played good this year. Another Ram Tavon and Chris Harper. So far I would say pretty good. Can't complain. Oh wow, two purples in 1 pack. This is awesome. You're supposed to get. I got 5 cards in this pack. You're supposed to get 4. That Carson looks like a variation too. I'll have to look into that. I could have just not pulled it yet. Kiko Alonso, he's like top 5 in the NFL in tackles. That's awesome. And Darren Sproles, also I'm a Saints fan. $4.99 and $4.99. Awesome. A couple rookies. Pugh, he was a first rounder. That was awesome. That's why you open these packs. You get excitement out of little things like that. Vic, he's my PC. I gotta put him in the right pile. And Patterson, 86. So I think I'm moving pretty swiftly through these. Something small in this pack. Marcus Wheaton, mini. Mike Glennon, he's actually playing very well. And a Barkley X Factor. So far I think this is a really good break. Marquise Goodwin, 63. A Milner. Arthur Brown, and Ansah. This is Peyton. And Andre Ellington. He's been awesome this year. Matt Ryan, Steve Smith, Denard, and Kevin Minter X Factor. Demarius, Chance Warmack. There's Justin Hunter and Eifert. 2 more. There's Breeze. He's PC. Gillislee, 86. That's Pat. Le'Veon Bell and Sharif Floyd X Factor. So overall, no autographs, but pretty good amount of color, and a ton of good rookie cards, and even the base looks nice in this stuff. So very pleased with this product. And tune again, as I'll have plenty more of breaks coming up, guys. Thanks a lot.